All right, y'all. NoSlack'n Sports. We here. Team practice. It's Thursday. Tuesday we did have team practice. I really didn't record anything that day, but I did record the ending part, which I will add onto this video here. Yeah, man, we here. We don't have a tournament this week. I thought we had a tournament this week, but we don't. So this week, all we do and all we have is a scrimmage. So we do have a scrimmage. We are going to be able to play. So majority of the boys are here today. Got the new kid, Brady. Jaden, the stabilizer. Got Zach, the attacker. Matthew, voltage. Braden, the gunner. You got Hoss, the slugger. And you got BL, the crusher. Kurt's not here. Cody's not here. Trevor's not here. Of course, the newest kid's not here. And of course, Brady Hurl. But you know, the ones that are here, we're putting in work to get better, man. The kids is throwing right now. They just got finished doing a little bit of running. And I think after they finish throwing, they're gonna do some little infield grounders or little drills here and there. I might record some of that just to show y'all, because it's been a while since I recorded that. So I'll let them boys warm up right quick, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Let's go. All right, NoSlack'n Sports. Here's Anthony off curveballs. I did not record nobody on fastballs. All curves. Let's go. Shot. One more. Shot. All right, let's go. Next. All right. Here's BL on his curveballs. I'm only going to do 3 apiece. Let's go. Last one. All right, let's go. Next. All right, Hoss already hit some, but I need 3. I didn't record them yet, so let's go. Give me 3 right fast. Shot. 1. All right, last one. There we go. Let's go. Next. All right. Next is Brady, number 6, the new kid. Let's go. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. Last one. I take that. Let's go. Next. All right, next. Jaden. Let's go. All right, Jaden, let's go, babe. C1. C1. All right, let's go. You got 8. That was a shot. Let's go. Last one. Let's go, baby. Next. All right, next. We got the gunner. Brady, let's go. All right, B, let's go, baby. Let's go, gunner. C1. All right, let's go hit. All right, last one. There we go. Let's go. Next. All right. Here's Zach with 3. Let's go, Zach. Good shot. 2. All right, last one. I'll take that one right there. Let's go. Next. Or maybe that's all everybody. I'm not sure. No, it ain't. Matthew still got to come here. All right, let's go. Next. All right. Here's Matthew. I think he's the last one. Let's go. All right, Matt, let's go. One. 2. All right, one more. I like that. Let's go. Next. All right, y'all. NoSlack'n Sports, man. We're wrapping up. Just got finished running the batter 2. Curveballs, fastballs. From 60 fastballs to 55. Curveballs around 55. Now the boys are stretching it out for the end of practice, baby. And we got a scrimmage this week. I don't know who against, but yes, sir. And then that kid right there, he got a stick on him, man. He's a sophomore too. He's gonna be a problem. See that? He's gonna be a problem. But all right, y'all, man. Let these boys stretch out, and wrap up, and we out of here, man. I'll see y'all Saturday, pretty much. You know what? Friday, because me and Anthony always hit on Friday, so I'll see y'all Friday. NoSlack'n Sports. We never slacking what we do, baby. Let's go.
The next day.
All right, NoSlack'n Sports. We at the old cages once again. It's Friday, putting in this work. We have a scrimmage tomorrow. So, every Friday we always got to come in here and do something. Or if outside, but we can't go outside because it's still muddy. So by tomorrow, hopefully the field that we play on is going to be all right. So Anthony's staying back here at 50. He already did 40. All right, you got one more right there. All right, right side, left side. All right, now Anthony is on his left. Hey, don't be so stiff with your arms, man. A few more. One more. All right, let's go. That was it anyway. Let's get it. Next, speed up. All right, man. NoSlack'n Sports. Just in case we can't hit no more because of these machines is messing up. We're gonna have to end it. Now they do got this track going up. At first it was stuck and it wasn't going up. So let's see if that helps with these pitching machines after they fix that. Oh, it stopped running again. So I don't know, man. I think it's gonna be a done deal, but if it ain't, we'll continue and I'll keep on recording. But if it is, NoSlack'n Sports. We never slacking what we do, baby. Let's go. All right, NoSlack'n Sports. We rolling, man. It's working. So Anthony's on 60 now. Let's try to bring it down again. Here we go. Let's go. You got 3 on that side. Last one. All right, switch. All right, that was it. Next speed up. Let's go. All right, NoSlack'n Sports. Now we on 70, and we're gonna work from the back 3 hits, middle 3 hits, and up to the top 3 hits, and then he's gonna come back. I want him to change it, just to help with the timing too. There you go. So you know it, when you get up there, it got to be short and sweet. I'll take that. Still got one more hit. Oh, that's all right. You good. Remember, stay with. All right, there we go. Yes, sir. All right, man. That'll be it for that one. He's going to do one more round at 70. And we out of here. Let's go. NoSlack'n Sports. We never slack it when we do, baby. Let's go.